Welcome. In this video I will show you how to unpair Apple Watch Series 11 from your iPhone. To do so, you have to unlock your iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch. Then open the app library on it and search for the Watch app. Then open it. Once you find it, then go to All Watches in the top left corner of your screen. Tap the information icon next to your Apple Watches, next to your Apple Watch, and then scroll all the way down this list and select Unpair Apple Watch. Then confirm, and then you're gonna have to enter the password to your Apple ID. And once you enter the password, you're gonna have to tap Unpair and then just wait until your Apple Watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Let's wait. And once your iPhone is unpaired, you'll see this screen on your iPhone and this on your Apple Watch. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.